I told you guys, lock him up. Lock him up, lock him up. I told you, lock him up. Lock him up, I told you. I told you. You're tough. No problem. Tough buddy. Yeah. Tough buddy.
You will be placed under arrest and charged with disorderly conduct.
You're the terrorist. You are the terrorist. Say that again. Say that again. Free, free, free Palestine. Free, free Palestine. Free, free, free Palestine. Suck my dick. Fuck all you.
Look at it! Oh my God!